Hi, welcome to MDJ Pixels. Today I'm gonna show you how to create the 2-photo exposure in Photoshop CC. First, open your Photoshop CC. Click File, and open to select image. Press P for pen tool and trace the image using path. Or you can use selection tool to select the image. Once the tracing is done, right-click the image and select Make Selection. And press Ctrl+C to copy the selected image. Create new file by pressing Ctrl+N. And Ctrl+V to paste the selected image. Press Ctrl+T for free transform to resize the image. Click Filter on top side and choose Camera Raw Filter. On the right side, click the HSL Grayscale. And check the Convert to Grayscale. And adjust the colors on the grayscale mix to adjust the dark and white color. Then click OK. Right-click the layer and select Pixels. And click Threshold in the adjustments. Adjust the threshold level by sliding the pointer. Open another photo by clicking Ctrl+O. Press Ctrl+A to select all and Ctrl+C to copy. Paste the image on the top layer. On the normal box, change it to screen, then enter. And done.